Long-range ground-fired rockets, such as HIMARS, have proven critical given their ability to target Russian supply lines, troop installation, and mobile Russian rocket and missile launchers. Since neither side has air superiority and conventional artillery can typically only travel 30 kilometers, HIMARS offer Ukrainian forces a way to limit indiscriminate Russian rocket and missile attacks on civilian areas. With a range of 40 to 300 kilometers, HIMARS can target and destroy targets behind enemy lines. These strikes are steadily degrading the Russian ability to supply their troops, command and control of their forces, and carry out their illegal war of aggression. Previously, Ukrainian forces had no way to counter indiscriminate long-range Russian rocket and missile fire. For months, Russian rockets with ranges of 200 to 300 miles have been killing Ukrainian civilians. Additionally, many of them are unguided munitions, which means the attacks often strike non-military targets, such as apartment complexes, neighborhoods, and other civilian areas. While they undoubtedly arrived later than some Ukrainians may have hoped for, high-mobility artillery rocket systems provided by the United States are inflicting substantial damage on Russian targets in the ongoing war in Ukraine, as the weapons open up new tactical possibilities. Also, United States and its allies have transferred hundreds of guided multiple launch rocket systems or GMLRS to Ukraine. These weapons, used since 2007, are land-fired, GPS-guided precision rockets able to pinpoint and destroy specific targets from 70 kilometers away. This opens up attack possibilities to avoid additional damage or casualties.